Wait. Well, guys, when you receive the GPS tracker from Freego, open it from here, or from here, yes. Open it. Then you can see the SIM. You can see this one. This is my SIM card. I put already. You need to open from here. And there, look, this side. Okay, you can buy a SIM card from T-Mobile or Hologram, and put it inside. Sorry, it's not easy in the first time. Yeah, and push up to lock. There is a button. Here I can show you like off, on. Not here's off. Right side is on. And then look at here. This part should be here. Okay, lock it. Look at this side. Yeah, connect. Now it's good. And then you can open find the controller from here. Okay, and there are screws, right? Just remove the screws. You can see the controller. There is a one cable. This is a protector. Remove it. Then connect. Look, this side. Remember, this side. It's locked. You see, when you turn it on, it's connected with the battery already. You can see it's blinking, means it's working now. And now you can go to your phone app to find this location. And then put it back. Everything back. It's a little bit hard. We don't know how to do that. Not really hard. This one here. Everything here.
What is this?
This one is for future use. For future.
Okay.
We use now.
Yeah.
This one, look.
So it can be hidden.
Here, right? And put screws here to close it. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, email us.